Today we're on a train mission and we're gonna start off with a ride on the Shinkansen. Let's go, guys. We need drinks and we're gonna go ahead and get the drinks from the vending machine. It's a hard decision because you just want to get everything. So we're gonna try to figure out how fast the Shinkansen goes. Let's figure it out. Train number 3 of today. We are now at the Railroad Museum in Tokyo. Actually, it will be Saitama Prefecture. And very interesting, a lot of history actually present here. You can go into the old carts. Let's check this one out. This is what the old carts would look like. Well, you can smell the wood. Wow. Smells like old wood. Very interesting.